Hey everyone, I'm Pom Beeley, a product manager here at Cutover, and I want to take you through a feature we've been working on called snippet tasks, and specifically looping snippet tasks. So we first released snippets in version 3.67, and this update is coming in 3.71. I'm going to take you through an application migration runbook in order to give you an example for this feature. If you imagine that we're towards the end of that migration, and we need to do some post-migration testing to check that it worked. So first thing we're going to do is utilize this snippet task to bring in everything we need to do that testing. So this will dynamically bring those tasks into the runbook, and you can see that we've begun and we're testing login to the target servers here. But as you can see, that's failed, so the traffic is not routing as expected. So we'll just continue through these tasks, and we cannot therefore give that approval because we know it has not been successful. What happens here is we get to the end of the snippet, and I'll show you how this works. At the end of the snippet that I've created, I've actually put in a task that is self-referential, so it refers back to itself. And what this means for the runbook is that each time we go through it, we'll be given an option to loop back and do it again. So in this case, because the build failed, we really want to do that again. So I will select it and hit continue, and those tasks will come back into the runbook, and we'll hope that this time we get a different result. As you can see, that was successful, and so we can now continue. We can give the approval where we couldn't before. And when we get back to the self-referential task, in this case, we won't select it and continue. We'll just continue without it and carry on with the runbook. So hopefully that's a good example of how you can get value from looping snippet tasks.